Hey everyone, this is our final demonstration for Lamp Chess, an online chess web app.
This is by Luke Lane.
Ayush Patel.
Caleb Ba.
And Parker Lambert.
What is Lamp Chess? Lamp Chess is an online web app that enables real-time chess gameplay with human or CPU opponents. We've designed the user interface for Lamp Chess to be simple and out of the way. There is a nav bar on every page that allows you to navigate around the website. On the game page, there is only a chessboard, a box for captured pieces, and a chat window to talk with your opponents.
What problem does Lamp Chess solve? Lamp Chess is made for people who want a casual game of chess but might find themselves overwhelmed with the complicated user interfaces of Lichess or Chess.com. Our app is also extremely lightweight. Since we've opted to use regular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with jQuery over heavy frameworks like React, Angular, and Flutter, this makes it desirable for people with slow internet connections. As you can see on the screen, Lichess homepage uses about 881 kilobytes. Chess.com homepage uses about 3.4 megabytes. Meanwhile, our Lamp Chess homepage uses about 287 kilobytes.
So our entire tech stack runs using Docker. We use Node.js with Express as the web server and PostgreSQL as the database for our main backend tools. They all run from a Docker Compose file. Our test suite as well, which consists of both behavioral and unit tests, also runs entirely on Docker, which allows our production server to continuously verify the integrity of the build on its own every time a deployment is launched.
And yeah, we also use a few extra libraries to help with the heavy lifting throughout the app. Use EJS to help let us render dynamic web pages. We use bcrypt to help keep user passwords secure by hashing them. We use Molter to handle file uploads for us. And then we also use JavaScript WebSockets to let us do real-time communication between the server and client. Really important for making the chess matches feel smooth and legit, and so using these other libraries just helped ease the workflow throughout the rest of the app.
We also use an external chess engine called chess.js to validate and verify chess moves on both the server and the client. We spent some time trying to write our own chess engine, but quickly realized that it was a Herculean effort to ensure correct functionality, considering edge cases like castling, en passant, and threefold repetition. Using chess.js has allowed us to focus our efforts on other parts of the app that need our attention. And so that takes us to our demonstration video.
Hello, this is Lamp Chess, our final demo video. Today I will be taking over the role of John. This is our about page, gives you a brief description of our app and gives you a quick app preview. And now, since I already have an account, I'm going to log in instead of signing up and brings us to the login screen. After signing in, it brings us to the home page. And on the home page, it gives you another brief description of Lamp Chess and how it operates. It also gives you 4 different modes to choose from. 3 of them are CPUs with different difficulties, and one of them is a player versus player. Now I'm going to navigate to my profile page. On the profile page, you can see my username, my profile picture, and my description. I'm just going to go in and edit my profile real quick and just change the description a little bit, give you a feel of what it looks like and how it works. As you can see, it updated. I have a new description. And under all of that, you can see John's recent games and how all of them ended up and how the game finished, whether it was checkmate, quit, all the good stuff.
Yeah, John is ready to go play some chess now, so he's gonna head back to the home screen. And he's feeling a little adventurous today, so he's gonna play against the hard CPU. John's gonna start by making some simple moves by moving some pawns. Also gonna move some bishops and knights. John notices that he can review his previous move history and the CPU's move history in the chat on the right. And after playing for a little bit longer, John realizes the CPU is a little more advanced than what he was expecting and decides to quit this game and head back home.
All right, and John wants a bit of a change of pace, so he's going to select player versus player. See if anybody's online. Oh, we got queued with a guy named Michael. Michael. Oh, looks like he's human. See, play some chess here. I'm gonna move my pawn up. guys doing? I think I'm gonna try to take use of the castling. I'll get my guys out here and try to castle. So he's moving his knights. I'm gonna do the same. And now we can try castling. Move my king over 2. Castle. And you can see the moves showing up on the right here as well. So he's moving his pieces up. I'm gonna see. Maybe he'll let me get my pawn up in there. And so for demonstration here, you can see when I land there, I have the option to promote. I'll pick a queen, and then we can, oh, it's not my turn, but after my turn, I can start wreaking some havoc. Go after the rook. After the pawn. And just keep taking pieces. He took my queen. Oh man, John's in a bad position here. I don't know if John's gonna win this one. Crap, I'm in check. I can move my king. Get out of it. All right, so Michael has rage quit. Michael wants a rematch. So we'll re-queue against Michael. And I'm feeling like a fool today. So let's see. I think I've got a grand idea here. I think I can.
Yeah, so John's a little salty about that last loss. So he's going to go ahead and click on Michael, his opponent. He's going to go ahead and visit Michael's page. Here, as you can see, that most recent game is right there, game 101, and it shows as a win for Michael. So John wants to go ahead and watch how that played out. So he's going to go ahead and click on it. Here, we have the most recent game, or the game review screen, and John's going to choose to autoplay it because we have the ability to do that. It's going to slowly iterate through all the moves that occurred in the matches. But obviously, John was a little bit of a fool, so the match ended pretty quickly. So he's going to go ahead and go all the way back, previous moves to the start of the move list, and he's going to manually go through the moves as well, see if he missed anything from that autoplay. Oh, just a fool's mate. So now that John's played and reviewed his game, he's kind of over it, so he's just going to go ahead and decide to log out. And that takes John back to the About page. And that completes our app's demo. We hope you enjoy our app as much as we do, and we thank you for watching.